I think we were very excited since the league was announced, and the league has been very phenomenal since then. I just did not know it was going to be this nerve-wracking since day one, and it has kept us on our toes. So I think it's been going very well so far.
For us, I think it has been an incredibly amazing experience. The day it was announced, the day we got to know that we are going to be a part of this, I think we all were so excited, super motivated, very much open to whatever has to come. We're going to embrace it and go till the end. So it has been a very, very adventurous and interesting experience for us.
Yeah, and hats off to all the teams and players who have played so phenomenally well all throughout the league.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Going forward into the finals between Victory Waves and Highland Kings, I wish both the teams very best of luck, and from all of our team, I wish them a huge luck.
It says picture abhi baki hai, so there is always some hope left in the end. I think every member, every team player has shown their best. They have done the best with complete enthusiasm. We as cheerleaders, we as the game watchers, spectators, we loved every point in the game. So we really hope that 23rd comes out to be again an amazing culmination of the efforts and the energy of every player that has been a part of this, and in fact the team as well. I think the background spectators also have been a huge support for the team, for executing the entire team. I really hope that the best team wins, and all the best to every person who's connected to this league.
I think as far as spectators are concerned and we are concerned, we are going to cheer to the loudest. But
Yes.
as far as team is concerned,
We are here
I'm sure
with full support, full energy. We want the best team to win, and I'm sure we are also going to at least win this match for sure. But I think coming at this level also is a great achievement. We are proud of everyone who has been a part of the team as well.
Right, absolutely. I would like to add one more thing. It couldn't have been possible without the management, the
Digraj.
organizing team, Colonel Dhillon, Digraj sir, and their team. It has been a very good organization of all of the league. Hats off to Panchkula Golf Course, which has been managed so well, and hats off to the organizers who have brought this league to such a good level. Yeah, it's one of the best I've ever seen.
And the best part is that obviously something like this is being organized here for the first time. So every person who is a part of the league is super excited because, there's so much energy, something new that is happening, something adventurous. Everyone's coming, all their family members are coming to cheer up the team. So I think the entire vibe of this entire event is absolutely blissful.
No, we are definitely looking forward to actually the discussions also have been going into the team next time. The teams will be better, more professional. We'll have a more idea of how the league has played in the first season, and the second season would definitely turn up to be a super hit than this one.
There's a lot to take back, of course. Every experience is a great experience. So this experience has been absolutely tremendous. So the next game will be an add-on to what everyone has done, how they have performed. And I'm sure there's a huge gap between the two leagues, the two seasons. So everyone will have enough time to make their body, to make their mental strength and give their best results. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.